Okay, so here we have this amount of puddle that's here. This is still relatively dry right here. It all goes over there, but if you follow along, that trench is full, it's over there. That trench is waterlogged all the way to the street, so it seems to be working. That's high ground over there. There's a puddle over there. This is all just unwalkable mud that's here. Yeah, that's just mud, unwalkable. The mound that's here seems to be blocking and creating that a little bit, but that's the area that's over there seems to be draining halfway decently. But if you follow the path of least resistance where the water actually enters into the street from the blockaded chain wall from the fence, seems to be this is the lowest point right here. So in front of 4854 Annunciation, there is a pole. That pole that is right here at 4854 Annunciation, if that could be the low point, and maybe that would be trenched, I believe all the water that's back in this general vicinity and direction, all the way from there, would go out and exit here. So if we could use and we also have this area here that's all mudded in, but I think that if the tractor could grade this out somehow, this is the spot that needs to come out. That's the spot that needs to be drained if possible. At least this is the evidence of after a rainstorm and what the park looks like presently. And we also have that pool of water that's on the other side of where the playground is over there. It's right over there. So